Kani gade ka pati CCTV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni.
Ka jingalang jong ka kanhun menteri jong ka Sorkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance ka balasong jelang henne kasni ka sipotrek bunai risau arjakat pra kala shim ye karai ban Pynhiar dor no ta artengka sanponia ka bai umpniang petrol bat kumju ka diesel. Kani jing Pynhiar dor kan trekam nadu ka khatwai trek mentau bunai risau arjakat pra nadu ka por khatwai bijem stem. Ban khamsha shushu halor kani karai jong ka Sorkar nginyes ngap hi nau sambot menteri rangba ka jela uba preston tensong.
So after thorough discussion, detailed discussion that we had in the cabinet is pleased to approve the proposal of reducing or rebating the price of petrol and diesel by 2.50 paisa per litre, and this will take effective from tomorrow 11 October. Okay?
What time?
Early morning. 2.50. This is in line with the decision taken by the central government, where on the 5th 8 2018 they reduced the price of petrol and diesel by 2.50 rupees per litre.
Kani ke jelang jong kanhun menteri jong Sorkar Meghalaya hagani kesngi kalai tai saniru na kabanta bantai no yak stadium ban pelong yak National Games House nam arhajar arpuar usembot menteri rangba ka jelau ba preston tensong habai kren bat kinong pathai kubor ulai thu ba ka kanhun menteri kalam menjori ka kaipon balawara nakna sports and youth affairs jong ka jela bat lapente pro ba ka Ministry of Social Justice jong ka Sorkar pedeng kalabha yak pisa ka bakot lai spa klor tengka bantai yak ni stadium hapo mau diang Uba Preston tensong ulai turu bakatnat sports and youth affairs kan hak bantung no mardor yau consultant u architect bat u CEO haswa ka katsan terek unai weng mentaus nam arja karpra kiban pen hagaban pentulun ki kam ki jam halor kene ki benta.
We had a brief presentation by the sports department who updated the cabinet today evening for the preparation of the national game, which is to be held in the year 2022. So the report found to be satisfactory, and the sports department, I would like to inform you, they already identified the land in Shillong New Township, and they already got the land of 50 acres for creation of the National Game Stadium. And even I'm happy to tell you that this fund for construction of the National Game Stadium is to be funded by the Ministry of Social Justice, and the total sanction amount is rupees 300 crores. Okay, so that is one. And then number two, now department is working out to complete three important components. One, engaging or appointing the consultant. Number two, engaging or appointing architect. And thirdly, appointing or engaging CEO, Chief Executive Officer of the National Game. Okay, and the process is on, and I'm sure, as reported by the sports department, latest before 15th of November, the whole process will be in place, and then ultimately the process of going to the ground of all these components will take off.